Hey, Joe Mastriano, CPA, and welcome to my Live at 5. Today, I can't speak anymore. I've been so excited. Um, affiliate. Well, first, I want to talk about IRS. It's December. Most IRS people go to sleep. It's unfortunate there's going to be a few people who the IRS takes collection action against, and what can you do? I always urge people to take a proactive approach and let me contact the IRS or you contact the IRS and you get a deadline. If you're sitting and you have delinquent returns or you owe money to the IRS and you don't have a deadline, or even if you have a payment plan and you were late on a payment or late on a return or any new liabilities, it breaks the agreement and then you're going to have to deal with it. Okay, so the hottest thing for December, when times are a little slow, I've been getting into affiliate marketing. Now, it's funny because the people who know me professionally, attorneys, CPAs, financial planners, they some of them look at me funny and they think, "What the heck am I doing? Trying to do? I have a profession here." Well, obviously, I'm still working cases. I'm always my word to my clients. I have an excellent reputation and will always, be my word and help people because my heart's into that. But also, as additional income, which really isn't that hard, is to become an expert. And I'm not there yet, but to become an expert in driving traffic. Driving traffic also drives traffic to my CPA firm. I'm not stupid about it. We've been paying, what is it, Facebook, and they've been stealing our money, and we've been getting junky leads. But I studied a lot about how to get leads, and the leads I send for affiliate products will also enrich the accounting practice. And probably in January, I'll be hiring somebody again to do tax returns. But the big excitement now is that the playing field is leveled because what happens is people think that, oh, well, if I was a doctor I'd make a lot of money, or if I was an attorney or a CPA, or I had some advanced degree. I mean, I've even had some people on LinkedIn respond back to me, oh, I'm the president of this corporation, as if they're, God or something. And really, there's a lot of ego work to do as we get older. There's all these limiting beliefs that we have, and we close ourselves off from possibilities in our life. For example, I didn't take many vacations because I put my time and efforts into business, but I'd like to take some hiking vacations, some running vacations, kayaking, and still maintain my businesses. So my goal now is always and will never change to do two things. One, make money um, in a manner that makes me financially free, and number two, to help people with McOil, my McOil method I developed, which is managing control of their lives. I've had excellent, relationships, money, and health. I've had excellent improvements by doing this work every day. It's hard, it's confrontive, but it's better than anything else. And anyone that's very, very successful in those areas in their life is doing some form of this. Some people, it comes naturally. Other people get it from other courses. I offer it for free to people in my group because I want everybody to develop a lifestyle where they're making, a couple of 100,000 or more. There's people in my group making 1 million or more. And, you know, I believe that affiliate marketing, the whole idea of driving traffic that's like a profession in itself. But AI and also just internet techniques have made it kind of a waste of time for people that do a lot of this stuff themselves because it's all automated. So the name of the game now is getting people who believe in you and trust you and then do online marketing. I mean, I've got a friend who just started and barely even trying. He got like three or four $2,000 commissions, and a lot of people don't make $8,000 a month now. And uh, this guy, did he get lucky? Maybe, but I'm a firm believer of working hard, and nobody has any questions for me right now, and that's fine. I'm going to be doing additional things, getting ads and posting my links. And anyone listening to this right now can always go to my website. It's always under constant development at joemastriano.com. The green button takes you to uh, Profits Passport, which has the $2,000 commissions. And there's the blue button, of course, if you need help with any tax matter or IRS matter. I'll always be in that business. At some point, I won't be doing that work myself. Um, Everybody needs some level of a retirement. They don't want to die working cases. Um, anyway, but I do want to give people advice. So I'll still do consultations. I mean, this is in the future, not right now, but I'll still do consultations. I'll still give people excellent advice, but I'll have people in my office to do everything else. Stephanie has been with me over 10 years, Robin over 6 years, and they manage the firm very well. And I handle my cases myself right now. And there's not much more to say other than go to joemastriano.com. I'm really excited. Click the green button. I am going to develop a group of people under me doing it now, but just getting started. And I will share all the things I pay for and learn because I want everybody to be successful. That's also the idea of my McOil Manage Control of Your Life. That's my gift. That's my charitable gift. I was in Rotary International and great group, people that are very caring. But personally, my belief is, that Bible story about, um, you know, give person give people fish and you feed them for a day, but teach them how to fish and they can feed for their life. I didn't like giving handouts. I prefer helping people to um, get out of the issues that stop them, and that they have a strong belief in themselves, and with that belief they can take care of any problems and financial situations. It may take a little time, but you don't have to be in pain the whole time. You can get rid of things that are controlling you, and once you start managing control of your life, you no longer let people, family and outside influences determine how you act and feel all the time. One trick that I'll share with everybody that I learned that took a while is anytime I have a negative thought, anytime something's really bothering me, I just switch it to a positive thought because I'm not going to sit and brood over anything, no matter what somebody did. Oh, I'll give it some time. I'll work it out. If it needs more time, I'll put it for like an evening slot when I could think about it. But I have what I'm supposed to do during the day, and I don't let, disappointments even my own disappointments. If I do something wrong, I don't let that color my behavior or get in the way. And so um, that's what stops success. That's what stops progress. You want to make several hundred thousand in these simple, um, do it yourself or done for you rather, affiliate marketing plans, then you just have to believe in yourself. And what happens, again, um, I have people that look at me funny because they have these judgments in their mind that somebody's supposed to, act a certain way or be a certain image for them. And that's not true. I mean, we all need to be honest and ethical in our dealings with people, but we should get to be the people that we really are and pursue the things that we want to pursue and live the life we want, not live a life that people point for you and say, well, you did this and you did this in school and you got this degree and license. Like I've got all these licenses on the wall. I am not my licenses. I'm me. So go to joemastriano.com, click the green button, believe in yourself, and while you're there, if you have IRS issues, click the other button. It'll take you to a contact form. You can talk to Stephanie and get it handled. But I'm on a mission for financial independence because I want a level of freedom in my life. I don't want my life to be go to work Monday to Friday during certain hours and try to squeeze the rest of my life into weekends and holidays. And if you feel that way too, then follow my instructions and do something about it. And if you're having trouble mentally to follow that, my McOil method and my Live at 5 with questionings, people can always email me at joe@joemastriano.com, and I'll answer those questions about McOil and about doing affiliate marketing. And there's no stopping us, except now I'm stopping the video. Thank you for listening.